It is slightly confusing to choose the best iPhone charger or the most suitable charger for your iPhone for your long lasting battery life. So, I've done my research, and that is how I landed on the. Hold on, let me see the name. So, it's Spigen's PE322300IN. It's a C2C adapter. It's 35 watts, as you can see here. Um, so I'll unbox and show how this charger looks like. It's very small, so it's one length of my index finger. 35 watts, and the other details are here. Let me just open it for you. So you open it from the rear end. You take this out. First you take this out, then you take this out, and let's. Oh, here it is. And it came in a plastic wrap as well. So yeah, it's it's actually smaller than even my index finger. It's really small. Uh, this is how the design of this charger looks. It's a type C to C, 35 watts, as I showed you earlier. Um, Now, the Apple website does not officially mention the chargers you need for iPhones, and this one I specifically brought for my iPhone 15. So you can, after doing some research, I found that the iPhone supports a maximum power of 20 watt, the iPhone 15. So this is a 35 watt charger. So you can buy anything, and this is specifically for iPhone 15. You can buy anything that's more than a bit more than 20 watts, because the phone will ultimately take 20 watts. For wireless, it is, I think the capacity is capped at 15 or 18 watts. But for a wired charger like this one, it's 20 watts. The phone comes with the charging cable, so that's not something I'll purchase separately. But this would be my go-to charger for my iPhone 15. C2C 35 watts. So you can also go for a charging capacity of less than 35, but it should be more than 20 for optimum charging. But again, I don't think 45 watts or 50 or 70 watts would make your phone charge or battery life long laster. Phone charge faster or battery long laster. Um, yep. And as always, this is not a paid video. This is my opinion. Feel free to ask anything if you have. Have a nice day. Bye. Is this